Good morning, Haley. This is Tina with Prime Mercedes. I want to thank you for your inquiry this morning on our 2013 C300. This is a 4MATIC in polar white, and I want to give you a little tour of the vehicle this morning. So come on in and let's take a look. You've got those wraparound headlights. The lenses are very nice and clear on this. You've got your Mercedes-Benz logo proudly displayed. We have 17-inch multi-spoke wheels. I want you to take a look at the tires on that because there is quite a bit of tread on these. You are looking at the sport body styling on this, so this vehicle has a nice aggressive stance and a lot of really nice detailing in the body. We have indicators on the side. Let's come along the back, and I'm going to open the trunk so you can take a look at that. Now in the back here we do have these releases, so I can put the rear seats down for some additional storage. You can see by the back this vehicle is really clean. Let's take a look at the interior. I know that's a priority for you, Haley, so let's open that up. Now this is a black MB-Text. I have to say the back seat doesn't look like it was ever sat in. It's gorgeous. Got your environmental controls, really nice sound system in this. Now, right now the driver's seat does have a tear in the seat. We are going to address that. We just got this in. But I wanted you to see that other than that, the interior is mint. And your door controls, your mirror controls. So let's jump in the vehicle and we'll take a tour inside. Again, very nice black MB-Text interior. I'm going to put the key in and you're going to see that steering column move to my preset position. Let's start that engine up. And this vehicle has a little over 100,000 miles. Priced at $13,991. I do have navigation, Bluetooth, satellite radio. I've got heated seats, eco, sport. But let's take this for a ride. And you can see your eco sport right next to the shifter. I've got a gorgeous sunroof. Really nice sound system. And the car rides really solid. Very quiet on the interior cabin. Steering's nice and tight. And Haley, I am happy to book an appointment for you to come see this beautiful C-Class for yourself. My cell phone number is 207-229-2739. And know when you buy a car from us, you're going to get valet service, loaner service. If you can't come to us, we'll bring a hauler to you, and on Saturdays we do free hand car washes. So I'm looking forward to working with you, Haley. I hope you have a great day. 207-229-2739.